What an utterly gorgeous day it is here in Scotland. So much so that I think we need to get out and have a winter walk about Edinburgh. I'm also going to try and get a bus ride, a tram ride and a train ride into this as well. I do hope you'll join me. We're going to start by getting the bus into Edinburgh. I've parked at Waverley Station, and that's where we're going to end up later. But for now, let's go on the bus. We're going to be getting an East Coast X4 bus into Edinburgh. I need to activate my ticket, and here it comes. Just £2.20 for a single ticket all the way into Edinburgh. Of course, if you're a resident of Scotland and over 60, you get free travel on Scottish buses. And I think as well, free if you're under the age of 22.
Great views as we approach the city centre. I just hope you can see out of these very dirty windows. And down towards Princes Street.
Time for our stop. Thanks a lot. And they are finally starting to dismantle the Christmas market. And it looks like it's goodbye to the Starflyer for another year. No doubt within a few hours it'll be all on the back of a lorry on its way to its next fairground. I wonder where that will be. And to think that only a few days ago this place was absolutely mobbed with people. I know Edinburgh's Christmas draws the crowds and brings a lot of money into the city and is extremely popular. But do you know what? When January comes, it's always nice to see things get back to normal, at least until the festival comes round again in the summer. There's the Balmoral Hotel, looking fabulous against the blue sky background. Will 2026 finally be the year that we get to stay in and review this fabulous former British Transport hotel? Fingers crossed, but the prices will have to come down a bit. The rates I've been seeing recently have been eye-wateringly expensive. We might have a walk up Calton Hill, which you can just see in the distance there later. But first, I think it might be tram time. We'll grab a tram from the tram stop here in St Andrew Square. There's one part of Edinburgh which I think will look absolutely superb in this sunlight today, and that's where we're going to go. The Lothian bus and tram app gives us tickets for pretty much all public transport in Edinburgh. The trams, the Lothian buses that handle the city centre, and those East Coast buses which we've already experienced this morning. This tram ticket will cost us another £2.20. Activated, and we're on our way. Welcome to the shore, down in Leith. That's a statue of Robert Burns, Rabbie Burns. And of course, Burns Night isn't that far away in January, is it? I knew Leith would be a good place to come on such a gorgeous day, and Leith is absolutely riddled with cafes, bars and restaurants. The water of Leith is frozen. Look at those swans. It's like a skating rink. I knew it would be stunning. These are the views we came down on the tram for. Always loved this little lighthouse down here on the shore at Leith. Leith really is Edinburgh's undiscovered gem. So many visitors don't come down here because they flock to Princes Street, flock to the castle, flock to the Royal Mile. But Leith, to me, is one of the best parts of the city. This is the fully refurbished Victoria Swing Bridge, marking the entrance to Leith Harbour. And beyond, Leith Docks, with its ferries and cargo ships. Of course, these boats now serve as restaurants and venues. And seeing as Victoria Swing Bridge doesn't swing anymore, I guess they ain't going anywhere. I guess if they wanted more boats in this part of Leith, they'd have to crane them in or something. I'm sure you'll let me know down in the comments. This is one of Leith's best pubs, Tutor's Landing. We have had the most amazing breakfast in there. Oh, that is so cool. Look, the swans have managed to find a bit of melted ice, but the ducks are still sat up on the ice. Seeing all these bars and cafes is making me quite hungry. I think we'll try toast, and it's such a nice day that I think we'll do something mad and sit outside. Well, the gentleman inside did raise his eyebrows a little bit when I said I was going to sit outside, but you know what? The weather's spectacular. How can we not sit out here? I'm wrapped up. It's all fine. Steaming cup of black Americano? Absolutely. Oh, that's good. That is good. And a bacon roll. That looks nice, doesn't it? The food in toast is really quite good, but it does come at a bit of a premium. The black coffee and the bacon roll cost me 12 quid, but it was delicious. Right, I think we'll walk back up Leith Walk in towards the city. There's one place left I'd like us to visit today. Well, as glorious as the sun is, it's already starting to dip down behind the buildings, and it's only 2:15. So we're going to climb to the top of Calton Hill to get the last of our spectacular views of Edinburgh on this fabulous day. Because we've just walked up Leith Walk, this isn't the usual way I come up Calton Hill. This is a lot steeper than the normal way I go. Well, that's where we've come from, down in Leith, and we're now almost at the top of Calton Hill. And there's the Golden Turd. Some people say it's a real blot on the Edinburgh skyline. Me, I think I've got used to it. Just a little bit more to climb up to the best vantage point. I don't think I've actually officially said Happy New Year. Happy New Year and welcome to 2026. What a start. And there we are. One of the best views of Edinburgh from Calton Hill. And it won't be long before the sun goes down on this spectacular winter's afternoon. Well, I did promise a bus and a tram and a train, so we'll finish off our little tour today on the train. Let's go to Edinburgh Waverley. Goodness gracious me, look, in the 3 hours since we were last here, they have actually managed to dismantle the majority of the Starflyer. That is quick work, isn't it? Welcome to Waverley Station. Our return trip to Walliford is going to cost us £4.80. And unlike the bus, which took about 45 minutes, this, assuming it's on time, will take about 10 minutes.
Good afternoon, once again, welcome aboard your 1539 Scottish service to North Berwick. Call at Waverley Walliford, time and on the train. Tram and journey to North Berwick at 16:12.
Well, we're back where we started. Welcome to Walliford. Tell me, what did you think of Edinburgh on this fabulous, cold, crisp, but gloriously sunny day? Wasn't Leith just absolutely gorgeous? If you want to see more of Leith, I'm putting a link on the screen now to a video where I explore Leith in more detail, and we have breakfast at that fabulous Tutor's Tavern. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one for some more travel adventures and a little drop of history.